Have you ever thought about what really happens to your body after you die? It's not just game over. Your body actually goes through a wild process. First, your heart stops, blood stops moving, and your brain shuts down within minutes. You're gone. And your cells start to run out of oxygen. Then your muscles relax. Everything gets soft, including your face and even your eyes. This is why some people look very peaceful right after death. Your body also starts cooling down. Scientists call this algor mortis. A few hours later, something weird happens. Your body stiffens up. This is called rigor mortis, and it makes your arms and legs feel frozen. At the same time, blood starts to settle at the lowest parts of your body, making your skin turn purplish. After a day or two, bacteria inside your body start breaking everything down. The same bacteria that help digest your food now start digesting you. Your organs start to leak, gases build up, and yes, it starts to smell really bad. Your belly swells, your skin may form blisters, and soon flies show up to lay eggs. Gross? Definitely. But also totally natural. If nobody stops the process, your body will break down more and more. Soft tissues disappear. Bones remain. If you're cremated, your whole body turns to ash and bone in just a few hours. If you're buried, the process is slower. It can take years, depending on the soil, the coffin, and the weather. But here's the cool part. Your body becomes part of the earth again. You help new life grow. You're recycled. So yeah, death isn't just the end. It's a transformation. And your body goes on an incredible journey even after you're gone. Want to learn more weird facts about the human body and science? Subscribe to AI Tells before your brain melts and forgets to hit the like button.